Nice, nice, nice. Uy, wala may mo rebound. Tatlo. Nice. Baba, baba. Batang Divisoria, may ball. Nice! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Hello mga kapsat! Welcome to my vlog. This is Hernan Fernandez TV sa kalabasa. Ay, kalabasa natin. Hello mga kapsat! Ngayon po ay andito tayo ngayon sa 21st Basketball Court. Yan. Championship po ngayon. Shout out boss. Ito yung MVP namin. Pinakamagaling sa Bisdak yan. Okay. So championship game guys. Bisdak versus Attack. So sana manalo tayo. Swertihin tayo. So ito yung mga kasama natin. Yan. Warm up na. Dagko kayong kalaban pero daugo na natin yung mga pinakuan ba. Dagko pero okay guys. Yan yung ating mga kasamaan guys, nag-warm up. At ito yung kalaban namin guys, ang tatangkad. Yan. Nung nakaraan tinalo namin sila pero 1 point lang. Congrats sa atin. Sino manalo boss? Chairman. Oo. Okay. Takbo. Boss, good luck. Boss, ito yung coach ng Attack. Okay. Good luck boss. Good luck chairman. Good luck. Yan yung mga kasama natin. So warm up tayo guys. So sama rin tayo sa kanila, mag-warm up tayo. See you guys again. Ito yung mga committee natin, mga committee. Smile, smile. Okay. Game. Okay, briefing muna, briefing. Briefing guys, para walang kuan, iwas gulo. Huh? Guys, good afternoon guys. Congratulations to all. First of all, at least you got this point of championship. Be careful. Contact is okay, normal. Rolls is rolls. Any call of the referees, give a consideration. We are not
No, it's not like that. It's not like that. It is a friendship game, you know?
Yeah.
We do our job, we do our best.
No blood, no foul. Okay. Game. Good luck. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Sir. Good luck, boss. Boss, good luck. Good luck. Okay. Game. Okay, start the ball game. Okay, game.
Sige, boss. Sige. Nice one.
Ba.
Stand your port.
Nice one.
Shoot.
Wala.
Baba. Max.
Nice. Tulog dong. Tatlo. Nice. Baba.
Sobra.
Counted, sayang. Nice one. Baba na.
Titira yan. Challenge. Wala.
Oy, wala na, amin na. Score 13-11 in favor of attack. Guys, in favor of attack. Lamang sila, lamang.
18 seconds at clock. 10 seconds at clock.
Nice.
Sabi ni Bada. Wow. Pass to CJ. Wala pa tayo drum. Pinasa ka. Pass Iman.
Uy, wala may mo rebound.
Bada. Ay, na makalain. Ayun, sila ko na.
Sige lang. Hoy, first quarter pa na dong.
Perisol. Pass to Luz.
Challenge.
Wala.
Uy, foul? Okay lang. Time for the first half. Okay lang, guys. Second quarter.
Bod. Kumanakan. Iya.
Balik. Dalawa kayo. Siap.
Okay. Nah, kahit isa na nilong, pero wala. Tumba.
Uy, kuha na.
Kaya pang bear guys. Baby boy 2. Wala. Bring on by ball.
Tulo. Nice one. Baba na dong.
30 seconds shot clock. 9 seconds shot clock. Sanchez.
Wala! Nice one, nice D.
Nice D.
Kaya yan, Cancel! Tunga. Nice.
Sanchez, hindi kay Sanchez. Sanchez, tumalaksak.
Oh, nice D. Boss, upat mo, boss. Nice one. Woo! Counted. Oh, nice.
Sexy shot man.
Nice.
Okay, baby boy 2. Inatay Sanchez.
Defense. Wala. Nice one.
Baba na! Nice pass. Nice one. Baba! Bater!
Oh,
Hindi na natin na.
Nice pass.
nice.
Baby boy 1.
Tira!
Baby boy 2. Anissa, malak sa kay. Pasan. Hop, Sanchez. Mata.
Gatorade pa rin. Oh, Gatorade, salamat boss Marlon. Gatorade guys. Gatorade, salamat boss Marlon. Salamat sa Gatorade. Salamat. Nice. Oh.
Pensa! Challenge!
Martinez, wala sa tres.
Short!
Wala. Rebound.
Labay!
Kaya lang.
Nice pass.
Nice. Sige lang.
Arce, pinabantay ng Lizzy.
Short!
Uy, walang rebound. Uy. Nice. Nice. 30-25 ba? Whoop. Nice. Nice one. 5 seconds. Kaya Bon.
Kaya!